Hi, I'm Jo from J.H.Leather and I have some very exciting news to share with you. If you've been following the channel for a while, you may remember that about a year ago I shared a video on what quickly became one of my favourite additions to the workshop, these magic glue pens of life from 1+1. I've pretty much used them on every single project since, and you would see them in my videos as well as on my one-to-one workshops. I can honestly say that they are the most used item that I have here in the workshop. And now, drum roll please, I am super excited to announce that I am now a UK stockist for 1+1 glues. You can now buy the magic glue pens of life individually or as a pack. So there is the 3-pack pen option. There's also the option to buy a 10mm pen with a 100mm refill bottle and a 3-pen kit with a 200mm refill. Each of the pens comes with 2 spare tips, and fun fact, I am still on the original ends for all of my pens. However, if you do need to buy some, I will be selling the spare tips in packs of 3. There are also the 100ml and the 200ml refillable bottles available for you, which is perfect for topping your pens up at home, or if you are gluing larger areas, you can glue it straight from the bottle. And for those of you who do a lot of gluing, a 500ml refill option is going to be available soon. But that's not all. I'm also stocking some really handy silicone cups. They are great for mixing edge paints or just having your paints easily accessible. I'm finally ditching the old box that I've been using for my own edge paints, and I'm replacing it with one of these fellas. And finally, by popular demand, I have got some non-stretch nylon reinforcing tape. Now this is 18mm wide and the reel is roughly 46 meters long, so you've got quite a lot there to get crafting with. These are all available in limited quantities over on my website jhleather.co.uk, or you can head to the links in the description and go and grab yours. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I shall see you in the next one.